Vocal remover tutorial. Hi Idol, welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial we will show how to separate music from vocal, also known as -1. Go to your web browser, search for Vocal Remover. There's a lot of vocal remover here. Let's pick one. Upload your song. Wait until the process ends. It's done, Idol. The vocal and music is now separated. You can save to download the music or vocal only. Let's hear the music only. Let's hear the vocals only.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
You can download it by clicking Save and choose a music. Same process for downloading the vocals.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000.
Thanks for watching, Idol. See you again next upload. Please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Take care.